All right, so we're going to look at the second part of Lesson 1 that was presented in class on Tuesday, December 8th. We started by reading chapters 19 and 20 together about the mess hall, and then when Cal had been there for a week and was participating in drills. We then also did a review developing themes discussion, and assignments were to complete and submit gist and vocab for chapters 19 and 20, 2 gists, 1 vocab sentence, complete and submit the theme discussion, and then moving on to chapter 21 on Thursday, since Wednesday is a half day and we'll be fully async. So let's take a look at, okay, so the vocab words for the assignment are douse, vigorously, and torrent. And then let's take a look at the theme discussion. All right, so determining theme in 2 roads. First, we talked about the difference between topic and theme. Topic is the subject or issue that comes up, oftentimes a singular word or concept. And theme is the message or observation about life or the real world that an author reveals through significant and repeated ideas in a text. Topics and themes that we've seen so far in 2 roads. So for topics, we have race, identity, the Great Depression, American Indian boarding schools, friendship, respect, and the Hobo Code. For themes, we have seen respect and good manners will get you farther in life than selfishness. Help others whenever and wherever needed. You may need their help one day. Themes are conveyed through significant and repeated ideas and textual evidence. We can see theme in characters, experiences, conflicts, reactions, changes, dialogue, and relationships. So then they wanted us to go back to chapters 1 and 2 of 2 roads so that we can try to determine a theme. So remember, in chapters 1 and 2, we meet Cal and Pop. We learn about their circumstances, that they have suffered in the Great Depression. Pop is a war veteran. They are hobos and proud of their ethical code that they follow, that they don't take handouts, they work for what they get, and proudly declare themselves knights of the road. We also see their interaction with Red and how Red suggests that they go to see his wife Rose and that she would feed them. Pop insists that they do some work, and so they chopped wood for her and then enjoyed a great meal. So then they asked, which theme do we notice in chapters 1 and 2 of 2 roads? Respect and good manners will get you farther in life than selfishness, or help others whenever and wherever needed. You may need their help one day. So if we reflect on the very beginning of 2 roads, chapters 1 and 2 specifically, we would see that the theme that is prominent there is that respect and good manners will get you farther in life than selfishness. And text evidence from those 2 chapters, Pop and Cal follow the Hobo's Code, a standard of ethical behavior, followed by true knights of the road. Pop and Cal always work for their meals or lodging. They never steal. Cal cleans up before eating. He washes at the pump and combs his hair. Pop and Cal speak politely, saying thank you and thank you kindly, ma'am. All right, so those quotes show that Pop and Cal display respect and good manners to Red and Rose Campbell. In return, they receive hospitality, kindness, and a hearty meal. So it asks for us to, as we continue reading 2 roads, to look for emerging themes on the topics that were listed: race, identity, the Great Depression, American Indian boarding schools, friendship, respect, the Hobo Code, nature, culture, and tradition. So the assignment for this part of the lesson is to look at the theme, help others whenever and wherever needed. You may need their help one day. And identify somewhere in 2 rows a piece of text evidence that supports that theme, and then connect it to the theme. So you are going to use this theme specifically, and you're going to give me a piece of evidence that supports it and tell me why. And that is part of the assignment today.